You all use VLC Player to watch movies, videos, video songs and etc. But do you know you can record your computer screen with VLC Player? So this is Sovik here and today I'll show you how to do that. But before start the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. So first open the VLC Player in your PC. Go to Media, select the Open Capture device. Then select the capture mode to desktop. Make the frame rates to 30 frames per second. Then click to the down arrow beside the play button and select convert. Now browse the location where you want to save the video and name the video whatever you want. Now the recording is started. Now I am doing something that I can show you after recording. To stop recording, go back to the VLC player and stop the player. Now you can see the recording is saved. Now I'll show you how is this. You can see all I had done is recorded. So that's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next one. If you really like this video, give a big thumbs up, do comment, share this video and don't forget to subscribe, which is completely free.